Welcome back to New Car Info. Today we're diving into the exciting features of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV, a remarkable electric pickup truck that combines cutting-edge technology with bold design and performance. The 2026 Silverado EV stands out with its striking exterior, showcasing a sleek and modern aesthetic. The front end features a smooth, aerodynamic design that enhances efficiency while giving the truck a distinctive look. The signature Chevrolet body is illuminated, providing a contemporary touch. The truck's body is characterized by sharp lines and muscular proportions, projecting strength and capability. The Silverado EV also incorporates innovative LED lighting elements, ensuring visibility and safety on the road. When it comes to dimensions, the Silverado EV boasts a spacious build, with a generous wheelbase that not only enhances stability but also contributes to its impressive interior space. The truck is equipped with an adjustable air suspension system, allowing for a customizable ride height and improved off-road capability. With multiple trim levels available, buyers can select features that best suit their lifestyle, from rugged off-road configurations to more luxurious options. Stepping inside the Silverado EV, you'll be greeted by a high-tech and thoughtfully designed interior. The cabin features premium materials with attention to detail that elevates the driving experience. A massive touchscreen dominates the center console, serving as the control hub for infotainment and vehicle settings. This system is equipped with the latest Chevrolet infotainment software, providing seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and vehicle information easily. Comfort is a key focus in the Silverado EV's interior. The seating is spacious, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. High-quality upholstery and optional leather finishes add to the luxurious feel. Advanced climate control systems ensure that everyone stays comfortable regardless of the weather outside. In addition, the Silverado EV features a plethora of storage options, including under-seat storage compartments and a versatile center console, making it practical for everyday use. In terms of technology, the Silverado EV is packed with advanced features designed to enhance both safety and convenience. It includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. The truck also features a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. With over-the-air software updates, Chevrolet ensures that the Silverado EV remains up to date with the latest enhancements and features. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2026 Silverado EV is built on the Ultium platform, which allows for exceptional power and range. It boasts dual electric motors that provide all-wheel drive, delivering impressive acceleration and torque. The Silverado EV can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, showcasing the performance capabilities typical of electric vehicles. The truck also offers an estimated range of over 400 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Fast charging capabilities allow for quick recharges, with up to 100 miles of range added in just 10 minutes at compatible charging stations. This performance aspect makes the Silverado EV a versatile option for work and play. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV is positioned competitively within the electric truck market. While exact pricing may vary based on trim levels and optional features, starting prices are expected to be in the range of $40,000 to $70,000. This makes the Silverado EV an attractive option for those looking to enter the electric vehicle market without breaking the bank, especially considering the features and performance it offers. In summary, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV is an exciting addition to the electric pickup truck segment. With its bold exterior design, high-tech interior, advanced performance capabilities, and competitive pricing, it's clear that Chevrolet is making a strong statement in the world of electric vehicles. If you're in the market for a new truck that blends innovation with practicality, the Silverado EV is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching New Car Info. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in automotive news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.